Y'all see I got in the trunk. Man, I've been locked out this thing for a minute, man. Show y'all how I got in that thing, though. I'm gonna show y'all what I did, how I got in here. Yo, man, 79 Impala. This for everybody who be trying to get in their boxchevy trunk. I ain't gonna just say boxchevy. Any Chevy, old school Chevy. I told y'all. Drill. We ain't come play game. Good drill. They gotta drill that lockout, bro. Gotta drill that lockout. Feel me? Drill that lock, bro. So don't be scared. Don't try not to hit your body, your car though. I caught it one time right there, but I get that fixed though. But we don't want it all looking raggedy or like somebody snatched it out. You know what I'm saying? You don't do it neatly. You don't want it looking like somebody snatched it out, so it's about your best bet, y'all. Can't get your trunk open on the old school. Drill the lockout. Feel me? Now, I drilled all the way through there. Now you see, I don't know so y'all can see what y'all see that hole right there? Y'all see the hole right there? That's what we turning with the screwdriver, with the flathead. That's what's gonna pop the trunk open. Right there. See, they don't show this on our other video. That thing right there is what we turning. What we trying to turn to pop the trunk open. Look. I'm trying to stay still for y'all. Y'all see that hole right there? You see how it's shaped like for a flathead. Put that in there, turn that trunk pop open. Feel me? See, I know a lot of guys gonna show that. To the point you drilling the lock. When you drilling that lock out, you see how far that trunk way back there. You feel me? You ain't nowhere near that, so you ain't gonna tie nothing up. You ain't gonna tie nothing up. See why I come here with this flathead. Told y'all what we're trying to see if I can get the angle. Yeah, you see that? See, I'm too far over, so we're gonna come over some more. When I get that thing on there, I think I got on there, you just turn it. So when I got that thing on there, so I got the thing in there, look, you just turn there. You see that now, lift. We in there. We in there. Y'all see way better now. Y'all see that hole right there? That's what you turning. That hole right there is what you turning. The opening of these trunks in the old school. Sure. Now we got the trunk open. Now we got that trunk open. It's time to take that lock out. You feel me? Trying to take that, trying to get rid of this. Take that up out of there. So you have to take, I already took the rivet off. It's a rivet hole this. I already took that rivet off. On the side, flathead. On the side of the flathead. See stuff falling off, stuff falling off. On the side of the flathead, you see that? Put that thing out. Now I got replacement clips and all that. You feel me? I got replacement of that. So you see? Now you just pull. This should just come out now. Man, that should come out, but I done drilled it so tough, I'm gonna have to wiggle it out, but he should come on out, cause you see ain't nothing holding him now. Pull him out of there. He been a little hard, I drilled him. He been a little He been a little difficult because I drilled him, but he coming out. And he ain't got no choice. He ain't got no choice but to come out. Why did? Let me get him. Y'all see? Got that bad boy out. Messed it up a little bit, but that ain't, again, repainting anyway, so that ain't bad. I got that thing out. Man. Now, time to put the new one in. I was trying to find the new clip to go up in there, but I can't even find the clip. It's locked though. I said, I already still got that thing ready. I already got that thing ready, so. It is. So I said, I want to go up in there. It was simple, dog. Just make sure that thing on that hole that we took that I showed y'all. That's all. Make sure the thing go up in that hole I showed y'all. Dang. Ain't had no rubber piece in the box. There you go, right there. So what a new clamp at, man? Gotta make sure you put that rubber piece on. All this come with the kit, y'all. And this kit came from Summit Racing. Well, I get everything here. I make sure that thing go in there like that. That's what we trying to get in, y'all. Trying to get it fall in here. Everything fall in there. Boom. See, she in there. Now, y'all fool around up here a little bit. Y'all see we got it in there, y'all. Y'all see we got it in there, y'all. Got it in there now. Just gotta lock it all in. So it won't be coming out. So that's what this for. You feel me? They lock it on in. So she won't be doing all that crazy stuff. You right here lock on in, so she won't be doing all that crazy stuff. I'm working one hand, y'all. So y'all gotta work. Y'all gotta bear with me. I'm working one hand. See it's in. It ain't in tight as I wanted it. This ain't as tight as I wanted it to be, so I drill it. I'm about to put a nut in there. I put a nut in there so they stay, so they won't come back out. A lot changed now though, y'all. I'm about to test it out right fast. Let me put this out here just in case. About to check it out. Let me test out the finished product. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Yes sir. And I did a good job. I'm doing say so myself. Alright, job. Yeah, I'm putting nothing up. Y'all know I got that music. I want my whole lot to fall out my trunk. You feel me? I got that music, I want my whole lot to fall out, so I'm about to drill a letter now. Be right back with y'all. Told y'all what I'm doing. I already know that music. I'm already knowing that music gonna knock that thing out. I'm gonna drill that thing up in there, man. come out right there. You know, that thing ain't going nowhere. It is. I know that thing ain't going nowhere. Mm-hmm. I really wish I had a screw shorter than that. But I ain't got none shorter than that. Yeah, I do. One of these, what the hell is that? Oh yeah, I'm gonna let that thing, I'm gonna rock it. I'm gonna let it rock like that. That's how I find me a shorter screw. I put a shorter screw up in there. I'm gonna let it rock like that for right now. Oh, that's what I need to. Need to pull that back out, put this in. Cause that's a rubber seal. Put that rubber seal. That's why you go over your work, y'all. Cause look, I left that rubber seal out. So get what? They gotta come back out. He gotta come back out. I left this seal out right here. You feel me? So he gotta come back out. Dang. That's ugly. That's ugly, man. I hate working backwards, bro. Working backwards now. It's all good, though. It's all good. We're gonna make sure that thing on, though. We ain't tripping. We ain't tripping, y'all. It's all good. Stuff happen. We ain't tripping. It's all good. Stuff happen. Got that thing on there now, though. I got that thing on there now, though. That thing on there now, though. Like I showed y'all before, we just. Yeah, so y'all so that make sure that thing go up in that thing like that. You feel me? Like I showed y'all before, there ain't nothing to it. There ain't nothing to it. Ain't nothing to it, y'all. Put this thing, clip back up in there. Feel me? Put that clip back up in there, y'all. Come on, all that fold up like that. Everything right good. Tell y'all now, I got that thing. I got the seal back around there. Got it all the way right. About to drill that screw back up in there so that thing won't come out. Put that screw back up in there. Oh. Thing back in there. Yeah, that shit all the way through. That's all that thing do, man. That shit come all the way through just like that, y'all. That shit simple. Shit ain't rocket science. Shit simple, dog. Indeed. We in there. So, yes, sir. Y'all see? Turn this thing all the way out. Check me out. Yeah. Check me out. Yeah. Yeah, no. So yeah, this one really was easier than I thought it was. Easier than I thought it was, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Way easier than I thought it was gonna be. I really feel like I can go do that again. Like, not a little bit, but I don't know if it's gonna be like that or not. Yeah. Boxchevy. Something lock chain.